so long ago, a man not that old, laid on his back, gazing sky alone, seeing the sun set and the birds flying about. His lids got stretched and a sheen came about. Inspired though he was, yet didn't seem so. Expected was a smile, but was a gloom all alone. The sounds of the waves was all one could hear. The fall of the cliff was all one could fear. No one was there to mend the peace around. Just was the wind to twirl the twigs about. It all seemed heavenly, yet it wasn't true. The man seemed oblivious, one could just presume. Neither was he off, nor he had suffered a loss, and yet there he was, mocked by the moss. The dilemma of choice had prevented him to rejoice the beauty and the love offered by the soil. The choice was between the heart or the brain, for it was to decide his own future's way. Desperate he was to solve the tussle within, to choose more of wealth or happiness within. Sensing it all was the nature around, quivering it was to help him out. So then came the wind, drifting waves along, plucking gently the leaf which stood all alone. On his lap it came to tell him the way he should go, the destiny he should shape. Realizing what the nature had to tell, he got up and walked where his heartbeats led.